On behalf of Ben and Holly, welcome to this marvelous celebration. They realize that by your presence here, you are gifting them your most valuable resources, and that is of time and energy, in order to give witness and support to their holy union. We have all traveled from across this great country, east to west, north to south, and so now together we form a circle of support and love.
Holly, you're beautiful, and today you're especially beautiful. You've dealt with so much in your life. You're the strongest, most resilient person anyone would find. You're caring and kind, and think of others before yourself. You're an incredible friend, especially to me. You've shown me more patience than I ever deserve. Thank you for loving me so much and constantly expressing it to me. I love you.
I knew the day I met you that God had taken extra time on you. You were different. After our first date, I wanted more. To know more, to have that feeling more. You are more. I've never known or felt love like you show me every day. My parents have always told me to be with someone who is good to me and good for me. And that is you.
As we've heard so many times over the past year, this day has been coming for a long time. I choose to look at it a little differently. This is our perfect timing. I have never been more ready to be married to you.